Welcome to Holmatro's Quick Cuts. I'm Steve White with Advanced Rescue Solutions. In this scenario, we're going to do cross-ramming with a Holmatro Ram. With the vehicle stabilized and hazards removed, just placing the ram off of the transmission hump, focusing on the B-post, we're able to use the ram to take the side impact off of the driver who's trapped by the B-post. As you can see, utilizing the Holmatro Ram, we were able to push the B-post off of the driver that was trapped to gain space. I'm Steve White with Advanced Rescue Solutions, and this is Clinton Crafton. Thank you for watching Holmatro's Quick Cuts.